Welcome to Homemaking with Mima. My name is Wendy, and in today's video, I'm going to be canning some chili and I'm going to be cooking some bacon, and I'm going to bring you along with me. So today I am thawing out hamburger chubs. I'm going to get it cooked up. I got to go downstairs and get some things out of my upright freezer for it as well. But I'm going to be canning some chili tomorrow, some chili base tomorrow. We have rain forecast for today and it's really cool, and tomorrow I think they're predicting about the same, maybe not as much rain, but temperatures are going to be low. So I thought, what a great day to just do some canning, because I need to get it done. I want to get it on my shelf. I don't want to wait till fall because I got so much going on. But I also figured, well, since I'm canning chili, we're going to have chili tonight for supper. So that's from November. Just recently I had made some cornbread and put it in the freezer, so I took that out to thaw out. And again, recently I had made some oatmeal cookie dough balls, so I'm letting them sit out before I cook them off, so we have a sweet treat for after that. I have a mountain of dishes to do, but I've been doing a lot of stuff today, so I'm just holding off because I know I'm going to have more dirty dishes, because today I'm also going to be grating. I got my KitchenAid sitting up here. I'm going to be grating some of my cheddar cheese that I had purchased. I've had it sitting in the refrigerator and I just haven't done it, and it's got to get done. So today is the day, since it is a cool day, to just get this and that done. And you see that brush sitting in the corner. I have a little bit of the deck to finish. It's probably 6 or 7 planks that my husband decided to replace last year. When I treated the deck last year, there was planks that he said he didn't like, so he took them out, replaced them. So you have to wait a year because this is all treated wood. And I just need to have a nice day so that I could get that treated. So that's why this brush is sitting here, so I don't forget on a nice day when I'm off. So I need to do 2 coats on that, but obviously you can see it's raining and it's not going to get done today. So when I come back, it's going to be tomorrow for me, but just a few moments for you, because then I'll be canning up the chili. I'm not going to get into a huge detail about it because I do have a video on canning chili that I will link in the description box below. But I will just bring you along, and I'll be using my electric Presto canner because I don't plan on doing a huge batch. I just want to get some on my shelf. So that's what I'll be doing. So I'll bring you back when I'm ready for that. So I pulled out the container. That's got some stuff in here that I want to put in to the chili, and I can just defrost it in the microwave. So that's what I'm doing right now, is I'm digging it out. I'm not going to put spaghetti sauce in there. I have a little bit of tomato paste. That's going to go in there. Not the salsa. That must be it. Yep, I used up all that onion that I had and the green pepper. So that's good. However, I need to get a can of tomatoes, petite diced tomatoes, and 2 cans of tomato sauce. I don't need to get tomato paste. And we also put tomato soup in ours, so I'll put 1 can of that. So I'll get these put into the basket and I'll bring you right back. I'm sure you're wondering, why are you eating chili and then you're gonna can chili? We like chili, and on cool days and in the fall and through the winter, we like to have chili along with different kinds of soups. I only had 2 left from my previous canning, so that's why I'm going to be canning it. So that way then come fall, I do have some to turn to, and I can make more through the winter season as well. So that is why I am going to be canning chili. And I got everything in my basket here that I'm going to bring up. I don't have any green pepper or onions to put in it, so I think that's it. Let me check to see if I have an onion soup mix just to get rid of that. I don't have any onion soup mix, so this is going to be it. I have the chili packet seasoning upstairs already. I've got 2 of those, and this should be enough for the liquid part. If not, I can come back downstairs and get some more tomato sauce for it. And or beef broth. You know what? I think I'm going to put some beef broth in it. I will bring 1 thing of beef broth. So there's that. And I also need some more Kleenex upstairs since I'm looking at it. And I got my basket. So there we go. I'm going to get all this upstairs and we're going to proceed with, I'll be canning. Like I had mentioned earlier, I won't get into detail of the canning, but I am just going to bring you along for the ride. Okay, so for this chili, I'm just making the base. I'm not putting any beans in it because I cook my beans separately. Because I like to have more beans in my chili than what it allows if you cook this all into one pot and ladle it in. So I've got 1.5 cups of meat. I know it seems like a lot, but you know, I'm gonna make it hearty. I've never done this, never seen anybody do it. I'm doing this all on my own. As far as the canning process, that is all the same. I will be canning it, pressure canning it, and because it's a quart, and it has meat in it, it has to go for pressure can for 90 minutes. No. Did it break? I heard something crack. And I don't know which one it is. Well, I guess I found out which one it was. that's going to wrap this video up. I have the chili canned. I got 4 quarts. So I've got 4 meals there, 4 meals in a jar. Cover it back up. I did use the USDA Complete Guide to Home Canning. I'm going to put a link to that in the description box below. You can access it online, or you can do like I had done, and my husband purchased the book for me, I believe through Amazon. I got the bacon cooked. I got 2 other containers there in the freezer right now. This one here is for us to just reheat and eat for right now. And I got almost a full pint of bacon grease from all that. So it was some pretty fatty bacon, but thick cut bacon usually is. So I have to let that completely solidify, and then I can put this in the freezer. All right, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.